Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch to iMessage from text message on iPhone. So first of all, you're going to head over to your phone settings and then you're going to scroll down till you find the option of apps. Click on apps and here you're going to search for messages. So scroll down and click on messages right over here and then you're going to scroll down again till you find the option of iMessage. You'll notice that the button has been toggled off. So now if you wish to switch to iMessage from text message, you're going to toggle this button on till it becomes green. Once done, you're going to head over to your messages application. Open the chat of any person who also has iMessages enabled and type in any text. When you send it, you'll be able to see that the text is blue. That means that you have iMessages activated. And that is basically how you can switch to iMessage from text message on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.